You know that the man did not go to the moon, that the Titanic Olympic sank under the command of Jesuit Captain Edward Smith to eliminate Titans opposed to the creation of the Fed, that the Federal Reserve is a private central bank created in 1913 for currency issuance, inflation control, and interest rates, and thus responsible for the all-world economic depressions and U.S. debt of $21 trillion, that attacks on RMS Lusitania, Pearl Harbor, and the incident in the Gulf of Tonkin were planned to justify the entry of the USA into the two world wars and Vietnam War, that Hitler was a creation of bankers to boost the war and kill the largest number of Russians and Germans, that an elite Nazi scientist was taken in the post-war to work in the United States through Operation Paperclip, which the former Nazi Allen Dulles, director of the CIA, created a terrorist network responsible for attacks on European capitals since the 1980s, known as the NATO Gladio Operation, that Winston Churchill caused tens of millions of deaths, that no fire knocked down the towers in NY, that there were no weapons of mass destruction in Iraq, that interventions in Kosovo and Afghanistan served to make stratospheric profits with heroin and coca, that ISIS is the army of mercenaries set up by American, British, Israeli intelligence agencies to fight for the creation of Greater Israel, that Gaddafi and Assad did not have killed their own people, that more than 80 countries suffered brutal intervention, that climate change means weather engineering programs to cause artificial hurricanes, earthquakes, and floods, that traces of smoke in the sky of chemtrails containing aluminum nanoparticles going straight to your lungs, that sustainability and transparency mean pesticides and hidden destruction, that the profusion of antennas of altered magnetic resonance to cause diseases, that the media distribute propaganda of poor quality in the form of news, that the thousands of counterfeit operations were created to justify more wars, including genocide, restriction of civil liberties, deliberate harm to health, sale of organs, trafficking of children, and profits.
This is all we